Hi, so today we're making sweet and spicy tofu, and we have 2 packs of extra firm tofu cut up into cubes, a teaspoon of salt, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a half cup of ketchup, a cup of cornstarch. So we're gonna put the salt and the cornstarch. So we covered it with the salted cornstarch. We have half a cup of oil, and it's hot, so we're gonna put the tofu in. We're gonna let it fry for 2 minutes on each side. I'm gonna turn it and it's been cooking for 2 minutes. Okay, so the tofu is done and it's all fried, and this is how it looks. We're gonna add all the sauces to this container. This is teriyaki sauce, garlic, honey, chili powder, ketchup. And we're not adding the sesame oil or the sesame seeds yet. We're gonna let it cook for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, sesame oil, sesame seeds. It's really good. Very crunchy and spicy.